If you feel like regular push-ups aren't challenging enough, then maybe it's time for an upgrade. There are all sorts of home gym accessories on the market, but push-up bars are a simple, affordable addition to your gym or exercise rotation. These bars increase the intensity of your workouts and engage more muscles, making you stronger in the process. Plus, in some scenarios, they can even alleviate the stress on your joints and tendons. As soon as you start shopping for a set of push-up bars, you'll see that there are thousands of options to choose from. To help you sift through all of these options, we spent hours sourcing the top-rated push-up bars in 2023. Number 1. N1 Fit Push-Up Bars. A push-up bar shouldn't be excessively expensive. The N1 Fit push-up bars are a perfect example of an affordable, top-quality option that's durable and performs well. These bars boast a high-quality PVC construction that offers enough sturdiness and strength to support your weight. Measuring 3.03 inches in height, this push-up bar gives you enough clearance to develop the strength and flexibility you've been dreaming of. The push-up stands are ideal for home gym, personal trainers and fitness fanatics. Easy to pack, the home workout equipment for men are used for perfect push-up to raise the metabolic rate, which can help to promote weight loss. Plus, the handles of these push-up bars feature a sweat-absorbent foam that ensures stable handling and great comfort. This workout tool is ideal for fitness enthusiasts, personal trainers, and those who love to work out in the comfort of their own home. Number 2. J-Fit Push-Up Bars. Regular push-up bars are not ideal for experienced users. They can feel too easy and cause you to stagnate. Exercise enthusiasts will do much better with more advanced models like the J-Fit push-up bars. These bars feature everything that you could possibly ask for, including non-skid grips, sturdy construction, convenient design, and comfortable handles. Made in Taiwan, these 9 inches high premium push-up bars are made from durable chrome-plated metal, making them able to withstand all of your heavy-duty training routines and push-up challenges for years to come. What's more, this workout tool is available in 2 incredibly tall options, a 9-inch and an 11-inch model. These 2 sizes will provide you with a deeper range of motion and will help take your push-up routine to the next level. This versatile exercise equipment is perfect for a variety of home gym exercises, from stretching to yoga to plyometric circuits. Number 3. Reader Push-Up Bars. If you're looking for the most suitable push-up bars for traveling, then you should certainly take a look at the redesigned version of the Reader push-up bars. These bars are incredibly lightweight and can be easily disassembled to fit into your suitcase, making these push-up bars super simple to transport from one place to another. Just because these push-up bars are lightweight doesn't mean they're any less durable. These push-up bars can easily handle up to 250 pounds without breaking or cracking. Plus, they feature high-quality handles with a cushioned foam grip, which helps minimize the strain on your wrists. What's more, these push-up bars also feature a non-skid base that ensures they don't collapse or move around during exercise. As an added bonus, you can purchase these exercise handles in several different colors, including orange, black, and blue. Number 4. Cap Barbell Push-Up Bars. At the top of our list is a pair of chrome-plated push-up bars by Cap Barbell, a noteworthy exercise equipment brand that focuses on quality. These push-up bars feature slip-resistant handles for added convenience and tough rubber foot pads for extra stability, making sure these stay in place while you do your workout. What's more, this workout equipment will help you boost your upper body strength and will improve your overall strength and posture. The entire construction is made out of first-class metal and has exceptional craftsmanship. Thanks to their sturdy build, these push-up bars can handle day-to-day use without revealing any signs of wear or tear. The quality, build, and convenient design set these push-up bars apart from all the others, making them our best overall choice. Number 5. Redipo Push-Up Bars. Thanks to their ergonomic design, the Redipo push-up bars offer excellent performance while protecting your wrist from injury. Each bar measures 8.7 inches in length, 5.1 inches in width, and 4.1 inches in height. Because of their compact size, you can easily store them, no matter how small your gym space is. What's more, these push-up handles are sturdy enough to support up to 300 pounds of weight, making them a high-quality, durable choice. Plus, thanks to their stabilizing rubber feet, you can rest assured that these push-up bars will stay put while you exercise. As an added bonus, these exercise handles come with a 100% money-back guarantee from the manufacturer, so you can return them if you aren't completely satisfied.